Hey, what's going on, guys? Back again with the second part of the Voltron series here. This time I got the blue and the yellow lines here. They make up the legs, left and the right side. I'm going to take a quick look at here. These are in the package as of right now, so let's take a quick glance before I bust them out of their shell. So yeah, this guy comes with a little bit of an accessories. Missiles there. You got the missile there, and then the launcher, I believe, is somewhere else in the packaging. He does come with his jaw blade there. Like it says, 15 points of articulation. Beam emitter, that's what they're calling the little launcher. Missile launcher on the back side. You can fire the missiles off the shoulder, off the back of the leg. And that is where he fits on the Voltron Combine itself. So yeah, let's take a look at the yellow one real quick. So here we have yellow line here. Also has the firing missile gimmick. He is the right leg. Let's take a look at the back side. He has his blade there and a razor wheel. Same articulation, same missile launcher. Forms the right side of Voltron. There's a little bit of a bio. It's the same as the other ones there. Nothing too crazy. This one's piloted by Hunk, and then this one is piloted by Her Royal Highness Princess Allura. So let's get these guys out of their prison and see how they are. Alright, and here they are out of the packaging with their accessories. So yeah, these are nice and pretty big lines, pretty well articulated. Go off with the blue line. Yellow is going to be roughly the same. Mouth does open a little bit. There it is. It is spring loaded, so you can put his weapon in there. So once you let go, it's going to snap right back pretty good. You got some rotation in the front legs. Go back or forward, back about that far, and then pretty good articulation in the knees there. The head does kind of go side to side just a smidge and go up just because it's a leg, and it go down a decent way. Back, forward about that much until you run into this. Back, and it can pretty much go until it stops it up here, and then roughly the same amount of articulation in the lower leg. Paws as well can go back and forth all the way around. Front's the same way. It can go pretty decently if you want to pose it. Put that back in. Tail goes up and down about that far. Just goes up for transformation. So let's take a look at the weapons he comes with. So he does have his mouth blade here. Again, we just open his mouth as best as we can. You want to put these two little grooves here in between his teeth. And then if I can get it in here with one hand without it snapping. Somehow, as I struggle. Alright, there we go. So we can get it in here. Oh, actually, I didn't fail to notice there's a little tab. Tab goes up. There we go. And then, yep, his mouth can hold that in place just like that. Ready to fight some evildoers. He does have his launcher, and the missile goes right inside here. And I believe you just push this blue button and it does fire. Pretty good, pretty strong mechanism. It's just pegged in, so you can peg it anywhere you seem fit. You put it here, you can put it here. Put that right there, it snaps right into place. And then the blue one is the same story. You can put this, I think it's on the front side, it goes right here, or other side as well. That way he's all geared up and ready to go and fight some crime. Let's see this action again. Yeah, alright, cool. Alright, so let's take a look at the yellow lion. Basically the same articulation. Tail just stays up a little bit more than the blue one. Same leg, goes that far up, that far back, tilts the same way. Both sides do the same thing. Front does the same thing as the blue one. This got a little bit more head articulation than the other one. Also, mouth is also spring loaded. Got a couple of cannons there in there. You can see the detail. snaps right back into place. Head goes up pretty much all the way for the leg mode, and back down for normal lion mode, I guess. She comes with a couple of other items. You have a nice little roller wheel here of Doom. Spins inside the socket. Carries her blade as well, her Hunk's blade. It's a boy lion. I don't know why I'm calling it a girl. But yeah, same thing. It just pegs into the roof of the mouth. That way you can slice some bad guys. And it has another blaster here, same as the blue line, just different shape. It just pegs into the top. And where is the button? Oh, it's going to be this little fin up top. You just push it, actually, and fire. Not as strong as that one. The blue one's a little stronger, but it does the same job. Alright, so put that off to the side. And then let's get this set up for leg mode. Give me one moment here. Alright, we're going to start off with yellow here. Blue is the same story. We're going to take off all their accessories, put them off to the side. We won't need them for now. First thing, I mean, really no way to do it the wrong way, but you can put the head up. We'll start with that first, and then bring this forward as much as you can, and then bring it around town like that. Same story for the other side. Bring that around just like that. Kind of forms a little heel here when you set them down. For the back legs, you just want to bring them forward and bring the feet in just like that. Same story for the other side. Bring it as much as you can and bring it down like that. Voltron is gonna, the black line is gonna attach into the butt flaps here. I like how they did that. It's spring loaded. So when you attach it, or when you detach it, it's not an empty hole here. Tail is just gonna flop into place there. And then this guy's ready to form the right leg, and we can just put him down. And then you can adjust it to your wish to there. So just like that, keep it level. Blue line, same story. Take off all the accessories. Held in there pretty good. There we go. And same transformation as yellow. Just bring the head up as much as you want for now until you set it on the floor. Bring that forward. Bring that forward. Leg goes in, leg goes right there, tail goes down, kind of dangles in there a little bit, but all right, we'll put this guy down, and then you can adjust the pivot as you want it. And then let me get the black line in, and we'll get this guy kind of assembled. All right, I didn't show this in the black line video, just we're waiting for this video here just so we can show off the transformation with the other two legs. So essentially, you just want to pick this guy up and just straighten out his legs on these chunky ratchets. Bring this down. You just want everything pointed straight down, just like that. I did turn the volume off, that way I'm not touching the actual button to make noise. Alright, that goes down, just straighten everything. Alright, as best as you can, because once it goes in the leg, it's going to be fine, it'll straighten out itself. And then next step would be to bring this guys down. Let me show you guys. Bring this around. That's going to form the chest. So that's going to form the chest with the red here. Same story here. Just bring it around until that is visible. Move the arms. Actually, I missed a step. Sorry. This is going to open up, and then you put these black lion's paws in there. Close that around. Same thing for the other side. Pull that little opening up, straighten out the paw, and bring this inside here until it clicks in place, and snap this in place. And then now you can bring this chest region down so we can get this going. Head you can bring down for now and keep it right here. Then you want to unfurl the wings, bring those up for now, And then we will get these legs pegged into blue and yellow. So, bring this down to the smidge. So, like I said, it's just going to go inside here. And I think that is in. Oh, maybe not. I think that's in all the way. And then same with yellow. Oh, maybe not in all the way. Hold on, give me 1 second here. First time I'm doing this as well. Oh, there we go. He'll make a click noise. And he is clicked in. Bring this tail up. It's just gonna go into place. And then there you go. Just move his feet until they are stable-ish. And he is a tall boy. He's a really tall boy right now. So he's gonna get pretty massive here shortly. And then yeah, so kind of hard to show. We're gonna splay these wings out. I'll bring them down to the ground level here. So bring this guy back down. We're just gonna splay these wings out until you can't anymore. They have notches, so it's gonna notch into where the back of the black lion's legs are. As you can see, there's a little cutout right there. So it's just gonna fall into place there. And then there's the on-off switch there. I turned it off just because it's annoying. Because every time you touch this side, it's going to play some noise. And then here we go. Just situated here. I don't have a really good way to show you because this guy's pretty massive. But yeah, there is Voltron with the 2 legs. And we'll get the arms in the next video, and we'll complete this guy and compare him to the next biggest combiner that I have, which was the Super Train Megazord from Power Rangers, I believe, Lightspeed Rescue. So stay tuned, and please like and subscribe, and let's check out the arms in the next video. Have a good night, guys. Take care.